So very first thing we do is to make 3 bags filled with dirt. Some of the bags would be bigger and some smaller. So we will make 3 bags filled with dirt, a big one, then a small one, and a little one. And then make a table, put a plastic over the table or the wood piece, and then surround it by some blocks like this. Then we put the big one at the bottom, then the second to the biggest on top of it, and the third one, the very tiny one, on top. So now you get a kind of mountain shape. And then if you have a funnel, put it on top of it like this. Okay, and then make sure you flatten it out so it will look like a small mountain.
This is the plaster of Paris, as you can see here, and it sets hard in 20 to 30 minutes, and it's a dry mix, and it's a professional quality. You will need clean cold water, board, putty knife or trowel, clean mixing container, sandpaper or sponge. Now we mix the plaster of Paris with water. So we're going to get 2 cups of this. This is 1 cup, so we're going to pour it in here. And then this is the 2nd cup. Now this is the 4th cup, the last cup. So now we pour it in and mix until it becomes a gooey-like form. We have to mix it till it's in this gooey form like this, just like this. It's gooey right now. That's what we want.
So now what we'll do, we'll put the plaster of Paris in the form of a volcano or like a mountain. So make sure you have used gloves so you won't get and take all your plaster of Paris. Make sure it's gooey. It gets really hard really quick, so you have to shape in the form of a mountain. So you see, we use the funnel, so that will be the hole from the volcano, and it's all natural. And listen, and what we'll do, we will just get all these plaster of Paris in the, because it will dry so fast. Before you count to 20, this will be dry. So what you have to do, you have to use some water and shape it. Make sure you put all the plaster of Paris. Around your volcano and make the shape like the lava is coming out. Make sure you leave the hole. When it's dry, you can take it out, and make sure it's going like running downward. Okay, probably you can scrape it with your stick, mixing stick, and make a use of all your plaster of Paris. If you want, you can shape like a small peak, like, you know, naturally up and down mountain. You know how mountains are, like some stuff coming out, not like smooth. So the rest of the one, you can put it so it will look like rocks, you know. What you have to do, you have to use the water, so that looks, give you a shape of a rocks. I guess this is good enough. So what we'll do, we'll put some water to smooth it out and make sure this look like a little bit, you know, a mountain shape, like rugged, you know. A mountain is not smooth, they have some, you know, rocks coming out. So you shape it. This came out from the shell and now it's ready to be painted.
Now that this is dry, you can start painting it. So once it's dry, you can use it like a light source.